G'day and welcome. In this project I'm going to show you how I saved a few $100 on some new shop toys. Sorry, tools. So look, I really wanted a pneumatic actuated hydraulic floor press, but as you can see here, they're 500 quid, well, 500 Australian dollars anyway. So what I did, because I didn't have 500 bucks, I still don't have 500 bucks. Well, what I did is I bought one of these for 100 bucks. I bought one of these for 130 bucks. And a couple of offcuts for 20 bucks. And found some angle iron in a bloke's backyard that I was helping out. And scored those. And this is what I did with it. Check it out.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
I roll up the weed.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
By myself.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Keep walking.
Shake it up, shake it up.
I roll up the weed.
Shake it up, shake it up.
We keep it moving up.
Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up.
By myself.
Shake it up, shake it up.
Okay, now check this one out. Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
I roll up the weed.
Shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.